Hello. As you are probably aware, the Oromo people are suffering from a hidden famine. According to the United Nations Office for Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs, the climate-induced drought in Ethiopia is the most severe in 40 years.
Oromia is a fertile and rich country. It is commonly known as the food basket and the economic backbone of the Ethiopian Empire. The Oromo people, a proud, hardworking, and self-reliant people who have been feeding other people beyond themselves, are today exposed to a drought and civil war-induced famine, displacement, and severe misery.
According to the United Nations Office for the Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs report of August 2022, out of the 9.9 million people in need of humanitarian assistance in Oromia, 3.3 million of them needed it urgently. The situation is even more acute today than it was in August. The southern and southeastern parts of Oromia are severely affected by the drought following 4 consecutive failed rainy seasons. Pasture and water are largely unavailable, and over 3.8 million livestock have died as of late July, according to regional governments.
At least 25 million are at risk and are very weak and emaciated, with little or no milk production, the main source of nutrition for children. As a result, children under the age of 5 and pregnant and breastfeeding women are most affected. In Borana alone, drought has killed at least 17,000 livestock, exposing the residents to food shortages and displacement.
Moreover, for the past 4 years, the war waged by the federal government against Oromia has not been adequately reported. In this hidden war, the federal government is committing atrocities such as burning people's homes, burning farms, and burning crops. It is killing civilians it suspects of being sympathetic to the Oromo Liberation Army and is displacing large numbers of people. Many farmers have fled to the cities, leaving their farmlands idle, thereby compounding the food shortage. Both hidden famine and the hidden war are underreported because the free flow of information has been blocked by the regional and federal governments. Humanitarian support has been restricted in insecure areas. Independent media and journalists are prevented from visiting and reporting from affected areas.
International aid agencies have classified some areas affected by famine and displacement as inaccessible due to insecurity. This has limited the delivery of humanitarian assistance to these areas and the reporting of information from there. Please help us feed starving children, pregnant and breastfeeding mothers, and the elderly. Go to www.gofundme.com and search for Help Fight Famine and Starvation in Oromia to donate. Your generosity enables us to provide food, clean water, medicine, and more to thousands of starving people in Oromia.